So now what I'll do is I'm going to want to find like some good Walking Dead t-shirts, right? So, you know, you can go to, like Arthur showed you T-View, right? So you can go to T-View and, you know, and then you just go to the search button that's there. And you could search in like, you know, let's just search in some keywords like dead, Walking Dead, zombies, any of that kind of stuff, right? So, you know, here's like a Walking Dead fan base T-shirt, okay? And a lot of times you can see if a lot sold. If a lot of them didn't sell, then you know, then it's probably not that good, right? So, you know, 0 out of 100, you know, that means the design might not have been a hit, or it also means their marketing might have sucked. So I'm really just looking for, like, your marketing might be better, okay? Like this one here, 36 days until The Walking Dead. Well, the problem is as soon as you buy that, by the time it gets to your house, it's probably only 5 days to The Walking Dead. You know, The Walking Dead Disney Tea, this one's creative. So anyways, you could just search, you could search and find stuff. So what you do is you search and you find, you know, something that you like or something that you want your outsourcer to model after, and you show them. You basically, if this person accepts the job or whatever, I might show them, you know, some zombie shirts, and I might go, okay, hey, you know, can you make me some designs like this, okay? So, you know, and you can just scroll through. So I'm not going to do it right now. I'm just kind of showing you. You just copy these shirts and just, you know, right-click on them, save them, and say, okay, here's some designs that I like. Okay. Now this guy is a lot more creative with zombies, right? So maybe, you know, maybe I don't. Maybe I do it a totally different way with him. Maybe I just go on to Google and just like zombie T-shirt or something, and maybe I come up with something cool, like, you know, maybe there's a theme for Walking Dead shirts, like Beware of Walkers, which is a popular theme, and so maybe I go a model after that theme, Beware of Walkers, and maybe I go, okay, that could be the phrase, and let's you know, get some zombies, okay, whatever. The thing about T-shirts is it's creative, but you can get a good person, and a lot of times I can let that person, you know, get creative themselves. Okay, so I'll do one more search here, and then we'll move on to the next topic. But you know, no walkers, keep calm, and do this and that. Walking Dead. I probably wouldn't want to use the Walking Dead logo in the shirt. You know, I wouldn't mind maybe using a silhouette of a character like Daryl with a crossbow or something, but you know, you're really just kind of looking. You're really kind of looking around for designs that kind of match that person's style, and you're looking to give them a very cool design. Like maybe you take a popular person like Daryl. Okay, so maybe what I do is I tell them, okay, here's what I want. I want a silhouette of Daryl that's recognizably him, almost like a caricature version with a crossbow. So I want you to make one of those, and I want you to put like a zombie behind him getting ready to eat him. You know. And something like that, and then just the statement underneath could say something like, you know, if Daryl dies, I'm gonna riot, or if Daryl dies, something's gonna happen. You know, if Daryl dies, I'm gonna do blank, right? Something like that. And now you got all the Daryl fans, that the people that love that character. Okay, so or what I might do is I might search for phrases that have to do with The Walking Dead. I might go on Google, search for a bunch of popular phrases, and you know, and run with something like that. Here's another example. You know, 2 guys walked into a bar. I shot them. You know, they're talking about zombies having walked into the bar. Or actually, that's probably from another episode actually, where he shot some other people. I don't know. You know. So anyways, that's enough about that. The point that I'm making is that, you know, boom, I just did this. I just did this job here. $25 for one Walking Dead T-shirt design, invitation only. So I invited them, posted 8 minutes ago. Now we'll just wait to see if that applicant, you know, wants to do something. Okay, one pending invitation. Okay, so, and that's this invitation to this guy. Now I can go and I can find some other people too for this if I want to. So there you go. That's it in a nut. That's kind of that in a nutshell. You know, I'll show you maybe a couple other variations here of outsourcing without getting into the modules, but.